Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to turn on the login alert on Instagram from PC. For example, if someone try to log in your Instagram account, then you will get notification on your email or in your app. So how can you turn on this option? So you have to log in your account first, then you'll see the interface like this. Then you can see the option more, simply click here and then click the settings, and then you can see account center below, password and security. Click here, also click here, then you can see password and security, this one, and you can see login alert, a security check. So simply click login alert and again click here. So by default maybe it's a login or maybe it's turn off, so simply here, and in email it's always on. So if someone try to log in your account, then you'll get notification into your email, then you can take a step if someone try to log in or hack your account. So it's really easy, friend. I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.